Hello, good day. I'm teacher V. You. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Please subscribe. I need more 900 plus subscribers para po ma-verify na po or ma-monetize na po ang aking YouTube channel. Oh my God. Kasalanan ko din kasi hindi ako consistent sa pag-upload. Pero ito na ang good news. Ang good news ay na-receive na po namin ang aming 20,000 teaching kit. Okay. So, ito yung nangyari sa experience ko, okay? And you might experience as well in the future as a new applicant of SPIN. So, June 16, na-receive ko ng advice letter ko. And then, June 18, na-receive ko na din yung appointment letter ko. And July 6, sinend ko na via email yung picture ng aking appointment letter. And then, nag-inquire ako. Ang tagal nilang nag-reply. You know what? Nag-reply sila September. Sabi nila, they will get in touch of me nung na-receive nila yung aking picture ng appointment ko. And then November, nag-message ulit ako sa kanila. That was around November 3. And sabi, we will update you so soon. And then luckily, around November 10, nag-message sila or nag-email sila sa akin yung mga requirements na kailangan para ma-avail perfectly and formally yung teaching kit. So, ano-ano nga ba yung kailangan? Ang mga kailangan ay documents, the same documents ng application mo noong nag-apply ka sa SPIMS program. For example, okay? Andyan yung, syempre, PRC ID mo, certificate of board rating, andyan yung form, SPIMS form survey. Yun yung finill-upan natin bago tayo mag-apply sa SPIMS program. Next, andyan yung valid ID din. Andyan din yung certificate of employment and so on. Okay, once again, these are the requirements to successfully apply the 20,000 teaching kit in DMW. First, passport identification page 2 and 3. Second, latest date of arrival stamp in the Philippines. Third, copy of PRC license ID. Fourth, copy of certificate of employment and or service record as teacher or certificate of completion or refresher course. Fifth, proof of overseas employment or contract or visa. Sixth, certificate of board rating as lat passer. 7, valid ID other that passport and PRC license ID. 8, appointment letter from DepEd. 9th, the duly filled out SPIMS form. Okay, don't forget that. Yung pinakaunang form na finill-upan natin. And we sent it on November 14, 2025 at 12 noon. Before that, I already sent all my needed requirements. Okay, so that's all for the requirements. So, the same lang. So, ito yung tips ko sa inyo. Always make sure na meron kayong soft copy or hard copy or photocopy ng inyong mga documents before and after kayong nag-apply sa SPIMS program. Itago nyo po yan kasi kakailanganin nyo yan for proof or evidence of your application. And that is, sinend ko yung mga requirements na yon, soft copy lang via email. Okay? So, again, make sure itago nyo po yan ng mabuting. And then, luckily, ito, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga picture namin during the awarding of financial assistance from DMW. Dun, yung lalaki na yan is yan yung Regional Director ng Department of Migrant Workers Region 1. So I'm so happy and thank you so much DMW. And if you have any questions, please comment down below, and please don't forget to subscribe, and more blessings to come with you, and I hope makapasa din po kayo or makuha kayo sa SPIMS program. For sure, makukuha kayo basta follow all the instructions and requirements. So again, please subscribe and comment, like. Thank you ka SPIMS program. Update kayo sa mga ganap namin bilang isang teacher na dito sa Pinas. Okay, thank you.